Jollibee sa Mega Mall?
Sa Mega Mall?
Oo. Sarap ba dito?
Apa.
Sarap ba kumain dito?
Apa.
Nag-enjoy ka ba?
Apa.
Wow, that's nice. Did you miss your daddy? Teka muna, hindi pa tapos. Kumain ka muna. Sige na. You miss daddy?
Miss Daddy?
Yes.
Yes.
How about your kuya? Come on, you eat that. Wow. Very good. Yummy. It's okay. We will do that later. You finish your meal first, okay? Come on. You finish your meal and after that you will wash your hands. Do you like it here? Yo, do you like it here? You finish your food. Come on. Ayaw, finisher na kita. Finisher ka na ni mami na kumakain ka. Come on, you finish your food. You finish your hot dog sandwich. And then after that, you will eat your sundae. Yes, sundae. That is your sundae. Wow. Okay, you say hi. Hi. Hi, everyone. I'm here at Jollibee Mega Mall. And I'm eating my lunch with mommy.